Welcome to the Aviator Assistant training series. This video is on understanding the map settings. Start by bringing your attention to the upper left corner of the device and selecting the settings icon. This will open the map settings modal. From the top, we start with map configuration and theme. In this section we have two toggles, dark mode and the option to invert your charts to provide ease of viewing during nighttime usage. Followed by the map orientation options. Here we have two icons to choose between. The default setting is north up, with the option to choose track center. Next in the settings is the option to customize map controls. There are 5 different toggles in this section. The first option is to hide the flight information and status bar, which is located at the bottom of the device screen. The second option is to hide the map zoom controls. The third option, auto hiding the map controls, which allows the map on smaller mobile devices to encompass the entire screen when in landscape mode. Also, the auto zoom on airport selection is a great feature that will zoom on the airport you have selected from the map. Additionally, the hold ruler after touch is great for when you want to be able to reference distance at a glance. Without this feature enabled, the ruler will automatically disappear. Enabling the wind advisor quickly enables you to view the current wind in effect. Finally, smooth radar data. Disabling this toggle allows you to see the non-interpolated data straight from NEXRAD. For a relatively quick reference, I have included a brief summary of everything we just went over on this screen. Select the settings icon or tap on the map area to hide the map settings modal. Thank you for choosing Aviator Assistant. Please direct any questions or comments to support@aviatorassistant.com.